Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert CSV to PDF from an uploaded file in PowerShell using PDF.co web API. You can see the link of full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Here's the sample CSV file that we are going to use in this demo. So let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in PowerShell. Next, add the PowerShell sample code and batch code to execute the command. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. In line 3, add the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 5, input for your CSV file name. Then, type in your desired PDF file name output. Once you're done setting up the code, you may now save the file. Let's go to the PowerShell folder to run the program. Our program runs successfully. The output was saved to result.pdf file. Let's go back to the PowerShell folder to view the output. Here's the converted PDF output. Come and check out our PDF.co website for more tutorials. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.